Hey guys, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to use your clipboard if you have an Android phone and you want to save things to your clipboard so you don't have to keep going back, copying and pasting. So let's say that you copied something from a website and you want to save it, or you created a script and you want to save it, right? So for instance, you say, hi, hello, have a nice day. Okay. All right. So what you can do is, let's say if you wrote this out, or even in your notes, and you wrote this out, right? And then you hit copy. All right. Now what you can do is you can click these three dots over here to the top right. Let me hit the arrow. Click the three dots to the top right. Click clipboard, right? Because I already just copied it, right? So now I can click on it and I can pin it. You see right there, now it's in my clipboard, right? So you can save scripts, reminders, whatever you want to save. I usually use it for scripts, things that I say a lot, and I save it to my clipboard by pinning it. So watch this video over again, follow through the steps, copy something or write something out, whatever you do, copy it, and then again, click these three dots, go to clipboard, right? And whatever it is that you copy, because I copied that time, but this is something else I copied, right? I can just pin it. All right. If you have iPhone, the best thing for you to do is download an app called Wordboard. I don't have iPhone. I can't show it to you here, but there's an app called Wordboard. Download that. That's going to be a good system for you to use.